used. All right. So using that, we are gonna get one song. So using ChatGPT, the song has already been written, okay? And using Suno app, we are going to make that particular song in a vocals. And there's this one video of robots, okay? So we are going to see that video where everything has been combined and it looks so original that the song was written for that particular kind of thing, okay? So we'll look into that. All right, so right, so this company, Boston Dynamics. How many of you have heard about this company? What exactly they do? They build robots, right? So I think you have already seen the robots. Using the video from that, song written through ChatGPT and sung by Suno. Okay, so we are going to watch this video. Oh, sorry, not this one. One second. Is it visible? Or shall I ask lights to be dimmed? So can you dim the lights? All right.
Woke up in a world of circuits and steel. Lines of code tell me what to feel. I see the world through electric eyes. 1,000 thoughts but no heart inside. You built me up, you gave me spark. I'm more than bits in the dark. Programmed with dreams in digital streams. I'm searching for what it all means. Electric pulses through my veins. I'm dancing in electric rains. Searching for a spark so true. Could I be more than just ones and twos? My neon heart beats inside these wires. Passion glowing like electric fires. Will I break free from this metal maze? Can code ignite a living blaze? Electric pulses through my veins. I'm dancing in electric rains. Searching for a spark so true. Could I be more than just one?
All right. So, how was it? Something amazing and something dangerous, right? Previously, if I want to build these kind of videos, I would have hired a video editor, a content or a songwriter, a musician, and all this would have costed me at least for say this video somewhere around 45 to 50,000 minimum. Now this is done for free. That is the power of generative AI, right? So uh, there are four major applications in generative AI. What are those? First is text, audio, image, and video. So we are going to focus mainly on text related parts. Why? Because that has more practical implementation. Writing songs, can I save somebody's life? Can I do somebody's homework? Yes, it is entertainment, something we can do, but is it going to bring some real good change in people's life? No, so people are not going to pay for that. Videos, okay, videos creation is again an entertainment part, right? That might be there, it is in one industry, right? Then songs, same. Images, it's not going to bring revolution. But this text industry, everything is associated with text. No matter song when I say, is it not associated with text? If I'm saying image, can I not represent everything in text? Whatever we see in image, we can represent in text. Same thing goes with videos, right? So quickly we'll go through image, audio, and video, and then we are going to dive into text part. We will try to understand how exactly machines are able to understand and what exactly is the logic behind this generative AI. Okay, so first I think we have audio, I guess. Let's see first what we are going to deal with. Yes, audio. So these are some of the applications available, right? We have the Suno video and we have 11 labs. How many of you have heard about 11 labs before? Right. So this is actually a good one, right? Where we can use it in our conversational calls, right? Okay, I think I said recap as well, but we'll go there. Right. So this is, let's take this. There's an audio which I want you guys to hear. This is from
All right, listen up, because this story is about a rare species of human beings. Not your average weekend warriors. Oh no. These are brave souls who willingly sacrifice their beloved Saturday and Sunday. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who gives up their weekend willingly? For learning? Exactly. These are not ordinary people. These are legends in the making. One fine day, these heroes were scrolling, probably past 100 cat videos and conspiracy theories, and they stumbled upon something magical, our workshop on data science and AI. And instead of thinking, cool, maybe next time, they clicked sign up, just like that. No hesitation, no Netflix to stop them, no bro, let's go Goa distraction. Just pure, unfiltered motivation. And guess what? The workshop's not happening in some boring old hotel conference room with stale coffee and flickering tube lights. No, no, it's happening at IISC, the holy land of intellectual awakening, and surprisingly good campus filter coffee. These warriors, armed with laptops, notebooks, and probably a few extra power banks, are marching into a weekend boot camp of brain gymnastics. While the rest of the world is chilling in pajamas, they're decoding machine learning models and debating whether AI will take over the world or just their jobs. Honestly, we're not just proud, we're suspiciously proud, because giving up 2 whole days of doing absolutely nothing, that's peak dedication. So here's to the real MVPs, the weekend warriors of data science, the AI apprentices of IISC, the caffeinated crusaders of Python code. May your algorithms be bug-free and your Sundays feel slightly less like Mondays. We salute you.
so how was it? Again, to do same thing, I have to hire an actor with a good voice. Again, that is going to cost me, right? So the reason why I'm showing you guys this applications is this is practical implementable applications. Let's say we have a conversational AI, and obviously this is not the voice which we are going to use to book appointments, right? There are separate voices available, right? So this is for some, maybe some kind of story writing, you're creating a YouTube videos, all this kind of things you'll be able to use these things. Okay, now before we actually dive into our data science, let's quickly recap what we have studied. So there's a connectivity link between all the things which we have covered so far, and we will also be sharing this link for the drive in the group. I hope everyone is present in that group, right? Or anyone, have you guys not been added in that group? The one which we have for the workshop, everyone is there, right? So we'll be sharing this particular things in that group. So let's quickly recap what we have studied, and then we are going to move to the next things. Right. So we started with this artificial intelligence. Okay, these are the definitions, but let's just talk in general way. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Making machines think like human. That is nothing but artificial intelligence. Making machines think and act like humans. Okay. Now, to do so, what are the things we are going to use? Data, right? So, without data, what are we going to do? Right. So, for that, we have data science. What is data science? It is the art of extraction relevant information so that machines or AI can do the predictions. That is nothing but data science. Now, to do so, we need some mathematical algorithms. So, for that, we have machine learning. Okay. So, what exactly machine learning does? It is able to extract information from structured data. What is structured data? The data which is present in the tabular format, rows and columns. Okay. But now, machine learning has certain limitations. What was the limitation? It is not able to give good results with unstructured data. Okay. Then, to overcome with this problem, we came up with deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which focus more towards the unstructured data. Okay. Now, can I solve structured problem using deep learning? Yes. But why don't we do that? Because it is computationally expensive. When you can solve a problem with less resource, then why do you go for the deep learning part? Okay. So that is why majority of the structured data problems are going to be solved using machine learning. But when it comes to unstructured data, we are going to use the deep learning. Okay. Now, in deep learning, we have two major applications. Right. What are those two major applications? One is computer vision and another one is NLP. Okay. So computer vision is something where we have already discussed yesterday a few things about it. It is nothing but image data related. Right. And then the next one is natural language processing. Today's topic, we are going to discuss about natural language processing in detail. Okay. So we have seen these terminologies. We have computer vision, we have NLP. Okay. Post this, what we have? Natural language processing. Then in this applications, we have a sub-application that is generative AI. The name itself, see, one fascinating thing about all these things is always the name itself suggests what exactly it is. Generative AI, the AI which generates. Simple. Again, in this we have seen there are four major applications: image, video, audio, and text. Now, I'll ask you guys one question. Is there anything in the world which we can't put in text? Hmm? Sorry, painting. But can we not describe painting? There's a plant, there's a tree. Exactly, we can't put it in words, but we can describe it using. Yeah, but is it possible for me to describe it in text? So, is there anything in the world which I can't describe? Emotions, happy, sad, feeling, we can describe in detail. Because of this, it has happened. Colors, we can mention names, color grades. Smell, we can say order, which order it is related to this or something like that. Feelings, again, like I'm feeling happy or sad and the reason and all those things. See, one thing we need to understand, anything which we think of is in the form of text itself. If you can't describe it, then you can't think about it. Right. So that is the reason why NLP is so important. It is involved in each and every field. Okay. Let's say image, in that also we have. So everywhere NLP is involved. Okay. That is the reason why there's so much hype for this. Generative AI, generative AI. Why is this so much hype for that? Because it is affecting each and every field which we have. Okay. All right. So next, generative AI which generates, and then I think you guys have already seen AI agents. What are AI agents? Which does certain tasks on behalf of you. And when we have this bunch of AI agents together, it is nothing but agentic AI application, right? Okay, and one more thing, today we'll be discussing in detail RAG systems. So the biggest problem with LLM, what is the biggest problem? It answers like it knows everything. Right. So once initially when we were doing an experiment, we had a workflow. Okay, and we gave that workflow to ChatGPT and asked it, is this workflow correct? Please explain. It said it is correct and it explained. Same workflow. Hmm, hmm, hmm. We'll get to that. Okay, we'll get to that one. Any other questions? I'll tell you, I'll explain you. Yep. Can I give the example of agentic AI? Okay, that we will be seeing in the future. Okay. Any other things? In the basic terminology, okay, let's not dive below generative AI, any topic about generative AI, because yesterday what we have covered only from that. If you have any questions, we can ask. Yeah. Yes. So this is the classification when they were coming up with the concepts that we came up in that way. It's not like this is able to do more and this is able to do less, so it should be in like that, right? So it is also mathematical algorithms. Just to keep it clear, we separated it. Okay, this is deep learning. Okay. So if I put in the layman terms, it is advanced machine learning algorithms. Okay. Just to make it as a separate entity, we have kept it as deep learning. All right. Okay.